Right, yes. Hello, 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 hello. Right, yeah. Welcome to show. Right, yeah. 咁I mean，我唔應該講太多講故事相關嘢，but yeah。咁我想一開始講一啲嘅嘢，去同大家介紹下一啲嘢，令到更加多人認識呢樣嘢。咁我近排就喺度睇呢個 cinematic vlog 啊，即係其實好多啊。我好中意睇一個叫 Simon Kim 啊，which is 係一個美國人，I guess Simon Kim 係呢個嘅 Cam Studio 其中一個咁咯。然後 yeah，差唔多係我最中意睇嘅一條片啦。佢條片係成粒鐘，其實我未睇晒，but yeah，我覺得佢嘅 reels 都幾好睇嘅。Simon Kim's 嘅 reels 就係就 OK，一年有365日。It's like fucking good. This is legit. This is lit. 係咪？
outdoors 2 years. Hidden behind my YouTube studio dashboard is a graph I think about often. A graph that at first might look unconvincing until you zoom out. This is my most popular YouTube video. But for 542 days it stayed flat, performing worse than most of my work.
Sorry, my bad.
For 542 days it stayed flat, performing worse than most of my work at the time. 1 month spent shooting, 3 months spent editing. I'd spend the next 2 years thinking that it wasn't the best. Until one day I decided to change the title and thumbnail. And it was in that moment.
Okay, alright. Let me see if my fucking get. Bro, no shut up, bro. No shut up. Right, shut up, right, shut up, fucking. What the fuck? But yeah, I mean，我覺得呢類型嘅片好好睇啊。我覺得yeah，我會想拍嗰類型嘅片咯。But yeah，I mean，I know that 時間成本好撚高啊屌，但係我會享受嘅。就係咁講，咁所以我之後會拍呢啲。當然個 scale 冇佢哋咁大咁誇張，but whatever。I mean yeah，我點講？其實我本身都唔係一個好有趣嘅人，but yeah，我覺得我而家嘅興趣純粹令到我變到一個更加無聊嘅人。除非你係好中意藝術創作定寫成咁樣，或者你好中意講呢啲 personal training 嘅 scaling 嗰啲啦。I mean 我係好似係有啲問題咁嘅。即係唯一我可能唔識講嘅運動就係我有 F1 同埋做 gym， 做 gym 嗰啲喺度做 progress 啦，fuck 咁樣，然後之後就how to scale guys 咁樣啲。
That I learned that a good story can last.
I mean 我係識一啲人會咁講，即係我會同佢咁講關於呢啲嘅 content，就 which is 其實幾有用啊，幾好啊，幾開心。差唔多我覺得係最有用嘅嘢。But yeah， OK，咁今集我就講一樣都係娛樂圈嘅嘢。But yeah, I think I talked about it before, but yeah, I'm going to talk about it again and again and whatever. Fuck this. OK，所以咁我今日要講嘅就係 K-pop OK，K-pop OK，AKA 抖音歌垃圾歌嘅天堂。第二句未必係真，但係第一句一定係真嘅。你可以見到其實 ，yeah，I guess，我覺得其實佢哋最勁嘅就係可能將一啲好簡單嘅嘢，you know，just not sure 啦，and then just make it fucking good bro。係成首歌好撚 lit 嘅，主要就係，yeah。 即係嗰啲好 party 嗰啲，即係深度嚟講一定唔係好多都有好好噶啦。But yeah, I guess，yeah， 即係可能就係famous 幾好聽，我哋 project，我哋 project 幾好聽。And then yeah, I don't know what the fuck to listen, bro. We ain't even famous. 然後之後睇啲綜藝 ，pretty funny. Not gonna lie, it's pretty fucking funny. Right， 仲有邊首咁？哦，Idol。近排我聽嘅 Idol，但係 yep，I mean 其實我之前一直都有聽 Idol，例如可能係一啲嘅好 hit 嘅歌啦 ，Tomboy 啦，Nude 嗰類 ，but yeah，類似嗰啲歌 ，but yeah， 我近排揾到我覺得 Idol 最好聽嘅歌，就係 this one，I Do Bro，best Idol song ever bro。然後之後仲有呢首 Where Do We Go。Bro，首歌係好撚 lit 嘅，就係多少的那類似咁樣，yeah，so yeah，it's pretty good。I mean 佢好慶幸就係佢可能可以擺脱到可能之前淨係可能講一個 topic 嘅，好 glad 佢可以試啲新嘢，唔會因為俾佢咁樣而困住咗。Which is 其實 yeah， 大家都知道 Idol 嘅歌係蘇陽整出嚟嘅，田小娟啊，咁我用英文蘇陽整啦。咁佢有一首製作嘅歌我都非常之中意嘅，就係My name is Malgum 呢 correct alright Malgum 진짜 that song fire bro fire 좋아요 진짜 좋아요 yep 然後之後 QWL 其實仲有好多歌好聽嘅，呢個係因為近排喺度聽呢個 Blue Whale 啊 ，Blue Whale 好好聽，然後之後 Fake Idol 都好聽嘅，然後之後就 Discord The Harmony of Style Bro those are fucking lit. I mean 我而家好似講到好撚 racist 咁樣，but yeah the accent's fucking racist a bit, I mean sometimes, but yeah, you know Dear is good, and Overdrive is a lit song, by the way, if you don't know. Overdrive by QWEL, is it? 我唔知佢係點 pronounce 嘅，係 QWEL， 我唔知，I don't know， 我唔知個韓文係咁 QWER is lit bro, the lit bro. It's like fucking best band ever bro。然後之後yeah one of 啦，係啊。然後之後 I mean 如果你問Ronald 你唱唔唱呢個香港歌就話全跌都係呢個香港人群，你唔可以踩低香港人噶喎，我哋要團結要香港人。But yeah I mean but yeah 我當然好撐呢個香港嘅創作啦。But I mean我唔知大家有冇睇過一條大陸嘅 clip 啦。咁雖然佢係大陸嘅 but yeah 我覺得佢講嘅嘢好啱嘅。咁佢嘅 content 就係話，如果我哋中國啦，法國啊，佢哋我引用佢嗰句，如果你盲撐嗰樣嘢，但係你知道嗰樣嘢係垃圾嚟嘅，你又盲撐佢，咁你係咪真係幫緊佢呢？你唔撚係啊嘛。我覺得即係如果你係即係唔好盲撐咯，即係唔好話fuck 佢係香港人咁，哇我一定要撐佢咁，don't just don't alright yeah but yeah I mean 係一個好嘅方式去推啲人入去個影院度，或者因為例如有啲嘢我都想試下去睇下，即係例如世外啊，望落去幾有趣啊！睇咗少少黎智英嗰條 clip 啦，係幾有趣嘅。黎智英嗰條 clip 係幾有趣，然後之後就咁我中意嘅 band 有咩？What's my favorite band? What's my favorite band? But we can't go band for band. That's sad. Alright, so yeah, what's my favorite band? 香港最中意馬鞍利利啦。Surprise！我相信呢個係一個好奇怪嘅選擇啦，因為始終我唔會話佢係一個好多人聽嘅 band，當然其實都好多嘅，係唔少嘅，仲要係，但係我唔會話係可能我同let's say 我阿媽講，馬鞍利利會知咯，即係我阿媽知嘅，咁佢係 exception 啦。咁但係如果你同一般嘅可能阿媽講，我好中意馬鞍利利嘅，佢可能會話喂，乜撚嘢係馬鞍利利咁，但係我覺得佢係幾好啊。I mean，仲有邊個？我嘅 playlist 入邊有 Tyson 啦，有V 啊 Yana 啦，YOASOBI 啦 Zip Room 啦，黃 Aden 啦，然後之後Tom Fakir，which is R.I.P. bro， 行動派，即係而家嘅行動派啦。但係以前嘅 Tom Fakir，I don't know，我唔知點 comprehend 呢句嘢，我唔知點解釋嘅乜嘢。我好中意聽呢個，仲要講完，佢好簡單嘅個 description 就然後我好中意聽係 TFK Party、點點心、Lost My Mind、Life Is A Game， 然後之後就So What、維心、擔遮考牌，係仲有好多嘅So Child、You Won't Be There For Me 係好熱門嘅，然後就係 She Likes Spring、I Prefer Winter。首歌其實好撚正嘅啫。I mean， 我喺可能好多嘅 reels 都用過啦，but yeah, that's nice, bro. Yeah, it's kind of nice, bro. You know, Gordon Flanders 啊，Starfall 啊 ，G9 啊，Bajack 有啲其實幾好聽，即可能有啲人會嫌電音，but Bixby 啊 ，June 我覺得你中意 Bixby 嗰啲，你會中意咯。June 我聽好少嘅，你好老實，我淨係聽佢同 Bixby 嗰首擺埋晒啦，but嗰首仍然係非常之 lit。然後之後做嘢，I mean that's it, you know. And guess so. Yeah. 我唔想做一個fuck，我要好 productive 咁，我絕對唔係啦。我唔想 hype up 成堆人，but I mean 有時其實唔應該咁怕醜咯，同埋因為有時I mean 我係一個戇鳩仔 bro，but 我哋全部都要知道，應該係嗰啲戇鳩仔通常會贏嘅，通常唔戇鳩嗰啲係唔會贏嘅。你要 bro，我唔知你明唔明我意思啊？要戇鳩，你要係夠戇鳩，你先會做嘢。如果你唔戇鳩咧，你係唔諗會做嘢。This is a God theory, bro. This is a God theory. 你要做一個戇鳩仔咯。如果你要成功，你要做一個戇鳩仔，你要好似一隻買頭好鷹咁，whatever fuck，我要撞落埲牆度，撞10次，撞1萬次，你要肯撞嗰埲牆。但係每一次撞嘅時候，你喺撞之前，你計下，我點樣可以 撞可以撞得好啲咁樣，然後之後慢慢每一次撞嘅時候 analyse 點撞，然後之後撞，你先可以撞得出嗰個答案咯。咁如果你就話fuck，yeah you know you need to be 你要 pretend 你係好撚成熟，你要 fit in 嘅，然後fuck，you know what？I'm gonna fit in, bro. I need to fucking fit in, bro. I mean, yeah, fuck that shit, bro. I mean, fuck that shit, bro. Honestly. I mean, yeah, but yeah, fuck that shit, bro. Like, bro, don't be a fucking ship in the fucking sea. Like, your mate is just a fucking sea, and you're being like a boat and try to fucking sail, but you don't have a engine in the boat, and you don't have people to can make it go around. You're just like a fucking boat without anything, and you just live a fucking boring life, you know. And yeah, it's nothing wrong against a fucking boring life, but what I mean is like, really, bro. I mean, I'm not saying everything you should do is like you need to be scalable. You need to be a fucking scalable business. You need to scale like to 1,000. And yeah, I need to make every fucking hobby into a business. But yeah, I mean, 應驗念。I mean，如果你有啲嘢係真係想做到嘅，你有啲夢係真係想追，我覺得可以追，可以搏一搏。I mean，如果你屋企嘅情況我可以允許嘅，當然我好彩。I mean，我阿爸阿媽都係非常之安穩啊。我話即使我可能假設我做生意失敗咗咁樣，我可能冇收入咁，但係我可能仲可以住喺屋企，可能我仲有嘢食咁樣類似咯。呢個係我好彩嘅位，係我嘅福分，唔係個個有我嘅福分嚟嘅。但係我覺得如果你要做呢樣嘢，即係當然有係一個好大福分，but yeah。非常有咩入手？但係我覺得如果你想試一啲新嘢，其實你需要嘅嘢係好少嘅啫。你需要可能係I mean，你可能要返工去揾錢咁樣，which is 其實我有啊，就係個問題就我唔記得收人工啊，屌！唉，屌算 ，OK， 屌算 ，OK， 冇收到啊，真係。即係唔好似個怨，即係你梗係需要做個怨婦咁喺度話，唉 fuck， 喂俾人工我，屌你，我做嘢唔俾人工我，but I mean 我唔覺得我自己係做咗一個好 edit 出嚟啦，同埋佢最終我都見唔到佢喺任何社交平台有任何動靜 po 我剪一條片啦，but yeah， 我覺得係幾好嘅條片嘅，by the way。I mean 其實係我冇乜問嘅，其實我本身諗住 volunteer 幫下手咁樣，借此可能就了解下咁樣。I mean 人工其實都係嗰陣時就咩筆嘢，我唔記得乜筆嘢，唔好播得嘅筆筆 ，OK，yeah。But yeah， 我唔記得問叫佢俾人工我，but yeah who the fuck cares bro？I mean 係好撚多月前嘅啦，屌3個月前嘅，but whatever。I mean yeah。我覺得都係幫下 friend 咁咯。如果俾我而家咁諗嘅話，yeah I mean I don't give a fuck bro。I mean at the end of the day， 識人有時候好過識字。你同人哋 networking 好，人哋中意你，oh fuck 佢識拍嘢喎，佢拍嘢 OK 喎，oh fuck 咁。佢剪嘢 OK 喎，佢剪得幾好喎，OK nice 咁樣類似啦。Yeah，but 咁當然我有啲嘢，我嗰陣時同佢講，fuck，我做唔到字體嗰啲事情。Yeah，I mean， 其實呢個係一個好大嘅劣勢嘅，就係嘢入面。That's it，入面。雖然咁樣講佢好悲觀，但係入面你淨係有你自己嗰啲嘅 skill set，你冇可能可以話fuck 識晒所有嘢咁屌。即係如果你學嘢好似一個 USB 咁樣就咁插咗落個腦嘅，咁你乜撚都識噶啦，好似。同埋我會話攝影呢個行業非常之窄，即係可能你影開可能你四慢一啲嘅 shooting style 嘅，即係可能你拍攝嘅方式係慢啲，平時係比較慢嗰啲。咁當然有好多人係樣樣都做得好好啊，咁嗰啲我好佩服啊。But yeah，我唔會認為我自己嘅 sport photography 做好，我有幫過人哋做嘅。So yeah，I won't say it's good。然後嗰啲全部都係 free commitment 咯。I mean free commitment 嘅壞處就係你係唔知點樣 networking bro。我係完全冇諗過 free opportunity 係點樣帶俾我 networking 咯。I mean 我唯一得到嘅就係可能係幾條 reels 咁，I guess 一條 collab 嘅 reels 咁 ，which is 其實都有用嘅。I mean，but 對我嚟講，如果想做一個 spec project，你覺得就冇乜用。OK，context。spec project 係指一個嘅懶係，即係你當係扮係一個嘅雪咁樣，幫一個牌子嘅雪，但係其實佢唔係一個真正嘅牌子嘅雪。but yeah，你類似做嗰啲 spec project 嚟，令到一啲廠商可能見到你，哇！你嘅作品同我哋嘅品牌，咦？可能好啱喎，或者類似就係咁樣啦。呢個就係 spec project 嘅用處啦。咁樣 which is 其實係好有用嘅 by the way。but yeah，I mean，我唔認為嗰啲係可以用到嚟做 spec project 咯。你寫得會，I mean，我又唔係一個體育嘅攝影師，我又冇話去到咁中意體育啦。咁好老實講，I mean，我可以做一個車嘅 photographer，but yeah，I mean，對我嚟講，我最中意影嘅嘢就係風景咯，同埋人咁咯。人同風景呢個係我最中意影嘅嘢咯，所以 yeah，I mean，我 landscape 嘅 bro，所以 你 say that way，我最享受嘅拍攝就係嗰類嘅衰嘢。I mean，當然你永遠都唔可以做你自己中意做嘅嘢啦，同埋 yeah，by the way，如果你唔知嘅話，其實咧有時如果你做嘅時候，你就會其實好難解釋嘅，就係你係舒服咯，即係你係心，即係唔講fuck，好難形容嘅，即係你喺度笑住咁痛苦咯。If you get what I mean，我唔知你明唔明我意思，但係即係可能笑住fuck，我喺做緊一樣嘢，但係你喺 struggling 咁，你好開心喺度做緊你自己最中意做嘅嘢，但係你係好撚 struggle 咁樣，即係咁樣呢樣嘢咯。然後 yeah，其實我而家越嚟越喺度問緊自己一個問題，其實我自己想點？因為其實我而家一直都好似係自己一個咁樣，同埋我又唔係好太出去 con。老實講，我同呢度大部分人嘅興趣係冇乜交叉啦。因為其實我話技術嘅人係冇咁藝術性嘅，有啲係好藝術性嘅嘢，同埋冇我咁痴迷喺一樣嘢咯，即係冇人係有嘅，嗰啲係做運動咯，類似可能真係有，係嗰啲應該都係做運動。你俾我諗下先，係咯，類似咯，係咯，即係冇乜人係好似我一樣咁投入、咁痴迷喺呢一樣嘢上面。同埋仲有一樣嘢就係其實我之前試過類似做一個 project 咁，同人哋做一個 project，可能人哋就fuck，OK 咁類似，但係我嘅 anticipation 係好撚高嘅，即係佢可能佢 give shit 嘅值可能 我係高好撚多，我可能高佢2倍、3倍、4倍咁。Yeah，當人哋唔撚 give shit 喺嗰樣嘢，即係你同佢嘅有興趣嘅程度唔一樣嘅時候，其實係難相處嘅。好老實講，呢個就真。然後之後我就會變咗個好撚 pushy 嘅人，就話啊 fuck，喂 bro，你覺得呢條片點 bro？呢條片點 bro？繼續啪啪啪啪啪咁類似啦。呢個就係我諗咁 basically，yeah。然後之後我就係嘗試咗 scale 咁呢個 Instagram 啊。咁 yeah，結果係點咧？結果論係唔係好得嘅。So yeah，I think I will try another thing. Let's say that way. I would try a bit of others, but whatever the fuck it is, I don't know, bro. I mean, I'm just having fun, bruh. If you get what I mean, I'm just having fun, bruh. If you know, you know. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, that's the thing, you know. If you get what I mean. Yeah. 我對於呢樣嘢嘅投入度暫時係最高咯，即係興趣度。I don't know, bro。即係當你可能係對呢樣嘢最有興趣嘅，但係真係嘅人冇乜興趣。It's kind of fucking 係唔好過，let's say that way。But yeah, I mean that's life really. I mean 同埋其實有幾難過，即係咁講。我先唔講任何fuck可能低收入嘅fucking 家庭咁類似，我先唔講嗰啲啊，我先講屌，我而家成日喺度諗，屌呢啲非洲兒童喺度諗，如果我係一個非洲兒童，我可能俾人強迫叫去做嘢咁樣寫成，咁邊有得講夢想？即係好似可能你阿爸阿媽一代，或者你可能阿爺一代，可能哇屌16歲已經要出嚟做嘢，但係你而家有呢個機會。但你就喺度話發覺我錢 bro。I mean bro， 佢係可以帶到俾你舒適感。But yeah, I mean 中學，我覺得嗰樣嘢就係我而家起碼我 fail 咗嘅時候，我唔使 take 咁多 risk，即係你明？即係好似呢些我喺度賭緊錢啊。我喺度賭錢，然後之後其實我而家失敗成本係低好撚多，個賠率係低好撚多。I mean 你可能會聽到，你遲啲咁，你遲啲你個賠率好撚高㗎。我而家主要係用嚟做興趣啦，然後之後就賺零用錢。咁主業就嘗試做一個 social media 嘅 whatever。I mean 嘅 marketing 啊，喺背後。I mean 我長期覺得呢個 social media 嘅 marketing 係太短線、太短暫。I mean yeah， 可能好多人會覺得 social media 冇可能做到一個8年品牌、長年嘅品牌。唔好話8年10年啦，我希望可以做到嘢就可以做一個長久嘅品牌喺呢個社交媒體入邊 ，which is 其實係冇乜人做到出嚟嘅。咁亦加油咯。OK，but yeah， 呢個就係我自己想做到嘢，得唔得咧？我唔知嘅。I mean you just need to push right。有時你要做一個智障。係啦，I mean 我可能睇太多呢啲 YouTube 片毒死啊，係啦，即係嗰啲可能fuck you need to be more entrepreneurial，you know 嗰啲，我可能睇太多嗰啲片，but yeah， 我覺得可以試下咯，就係覺得 I mean 喺唔影響學業嘅底下可以做，我覺得其實你睇下你自己 Doom Scroll Reels 係幾耐咧？嗱，我唔隱藏，我直接講出嚟啦。OK，我 show 俾大家睇，我都係高嘅。咁但係我會諗嘅方向就係，如果我用嗰啲時間嚟去所謂嘅去做你自己想做嘅嘢，which is 其實成粒鐘啊！諗下，喂，bro，我 daily average 5個鐘，雖然我 IG 幾個鐘我定，今日係好似係2個鐘定咩啊？我don't know，2個幾鐘，which is 其實睇太多，but yeah，I mean yeah，but 如果你想像你每日用嗰2個鐘去做你自己嘅興趣，其實係大撚把時間。其實，所以我同埋而家嘅 algorithm 又設計到咁樣咧，一吸走晒大家時間咁咧，即係呢個就係點解我好撚憎 TikTok 呢樣嘢。I mean 唔淨止係個平台，係所有嘢呢個短影片嘅所有嘢。I mean，我覺得台灣嗰邊嘅市場嘅 reaction 係有啲多餘咗嘅。我係咁諗啦，至少我覺得當然你兩樣都要做，但係我唔認為係短影片會成為下一個網絡嘅王者。whatever 你想點樣講點講啦，but yeah，我唔認為佢係一個好長久嘢，一個替代物咁咯。至少我唔係咁諗啦，我會將佢諗做可能係我又發嘅第二個平台，好似喺度派傳單啫。但係始終你啲 real shit， 你認真做嘢，永遠都係喺 YouTube 做嘅。同埋我覺得 YouTube 係一個好平台，當然 YouTube 嘅高層某啲人其實係好撚仆街嘅，但係不得不說 YouTube 係而家差唔多我哋可以 access 到唯一免費嘅睇長片嘅，然後之後可能唔使咁高 high 呢個 value production value 嘅 but yeah， 我哋仲可以得到一套好好睇嘅嘢。即係 YouTube， 我覺得 YouTube 真係好睇嘅，我覺得你有好多唔同嘅人喺上面嗰度做呢段時間，其實已經非常之難得噶啦。即係你仲會邊有人會咁認真做？同埋有一樣嘢我非常之中意 YouTube 嘅一樣嘢，就係而家佢開始越嚟越專業化，可能大家真係整啲周睇嘢咯，即係嗰一個 Gold Rush 已經冇咗，即係嗰個點講，個 hype 嗰個期就係話哇 fuck YouTube 一定賺到錢呢個嘅時期已經完咗咯，就可能少咁過濾咗一班人咁樣，可能令到啲人真係去認真睇片咯。我會咁諗咯，至少。不過因為我覺得 at the end of the day， 觀看次數我會點諗呢？我諗 imagine 有幾多條友去嘥佢有限嘅生命去睇你呢一條片啊！當你諗呢樣嘢嘅時候，其實你可能你開 YouTube， 哇5個 view、10個 view、20個 view、40個 views， 我嘅片其實長期都40 views 噶，但係呢個講法我都係聽翻嚟嘅，因為我覺得對於一啲可能覺得哇屌冇 view 數嘅人嚟講，其實係好啱。我唔會話係純粹心靈雞湯，but yeah， I mean YouTube 嘅成功其實唔係完全講努力嘅，你整咗最好嘅條片。但係如果你咁樣諗嘅話，我覺得會對你嘅諗法係 benefit 一啲嘅。同埋如果你想賺錢嘅話，唔好去拍 YouTube 啊。如果 你認真想賺錢，我覺得你可能炒股票會炒得多啲錢咯。當然唔係鼓勵你去炒股票咯。咁但係炒股票佢有一定嘅風險嘅，但係我覺得你喺上網上啦，見到嗰堆人其實係個 top 1% 嗰堆人啦。咁但係其實你下面仲有嗰99% 嘅人喺度噶嘛。咁你一入到去，你就係要競爭咯。然後之後你又要鬥好多嘢嘅。但係你係咪要一個千選萬選萬裏挑一嗰一條友？咁I mean，你問你自己啦。但係我覺得你需要時間。如果你見屌我5個月唔紅嘅話，bro，你拍耐啲啊！屌你5年先好再講嘢啦。OK，你5年先再好考慮你係咪應該停止拍 YouTube。講完就係咁。I mean，你唔會見到fuck 人哋可能3個月爆咗紅咁，but 唔好比較心態咯。I mean，冇乜需要。I mean，人係會比較，即係我都會比較心態就fuck 點解人哋咁好佢咁好，but the point I want to make is like so what bro, so what, so fucking what? Okay, they get the fucking cash, they get a girl, who the fuck cares, bro? Get on yourself, bro. 佢 care 唔 care 你？佢唔會，你會唔會 care 你自己？你應該要，好啦，係咁啦，拜。